What's poppin' 10? I'm depositing all these ends while you motherfuckers got to be. I'm just cops again. Eat a box or something. I ain't such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are jumping straight into this tutorial. I'll show you how I went from that to those cute ass spice buns on the other side. Are they spice buns or are they space buns? I don't know, but those cute twisty things, I'm gonna show you how we got them. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair, and I'm just parting my hair down the middle into two sections, as you can see. Be sure guys to go right now and like this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like, before we get any further, like, why are you not subscribed? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I can't speak. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And right now I'm just parting my hair still, and this took me a hot minute, you know, to get that part together and everything. And what I did after getting it down the middle, I parted it in two other sections, and I'm going in with Style Factor's Edge New Styling Gel. Like, I'm excited for this product because, you know, I always kill my edge control. I use it as a gel, so Style Factor came out with this gel and I'm so excited to use it, and I couldn't get it open. But that's the consistency of the product, and it smelled so good. Like, it smelled really yummy. And this is all that I'll be using in this video to style my hair. I'm not using any edge control. I'm not using anything. I'm literally only using gel. So now I'm going in and I'm just detangling my hair with a little bit of water. And you know my method as how I got my hair like smooth. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you can go right now and check them out. When my hair was like really short, like shorter than it is right now. So I literally just go in and I part my hair in sections, and I apply the gel on either sides, and I just go through and I comb and I smooth, because that, I think, is a big part of getting your hair sleek. You can't just like pull everything up and think it's gonna be sleek. No, because of the thickness of our hair, well, my hair, because I have thick 4C hair with no product in it, it won't sleek. It'll just look like a poofy mess. So I have to go in, part each section, put the gel on either side as you see that I'm doing, and I part this in small sections, and I just keep working that gel in between and just like combing it out and smoothing it down. And in order to get this hair up and smooth, I did it in sections. So I did the first half, as you can see, and I'm just like still combing that out, working the product in, and there you see I'm parting out my edges. Well, my grown hairs, I'm parting those out because those are gonna be or baby hairs, okay? And I'm just literally combing the hair. I can't stress how much I comb my hair and smooth it with my hands. And I'm literally just like combing it out and getting it up into a section. And that's it. I got the first section in, and then I think I'm gonna go in with some more of the gel and do my edges. Oh no, wait, I go and I do the back, and just as how I did the top half, that's what I do with the back. I literally just part it, add the gel, comb it out, make sure to put the gel on the front and back of the hair and just smooth it out, because guys, you have to smooth it. If you don't smooth it, the hair is going to be poofy, and we need it flat and sleek. So that's me just going in, and I must say the gel, it held up, but I think the next time I use it, I'm gonna use my edge control still, because I think if I had put my edge control over the front, it would have like held a lot more. Like, I wouldn't have like any like little frizzies that I saw that I had afterwards, because the Style Factor edge control really just holds everything in. The gel is pretty good though, and it smells really, really yummy. So you see me just doing my edges with only the gel, so it does work. I'm just saying that I will use the edge control when I'm using it in future to give my hair that extra sleek and that, you know, that non-frizzy like flyaway looks, because I had quite a few flyaways that the edge control would have counteracted. And I'm just gonna do the same step on the other side. And guys, what I did just now, I added some eco gel on my little thing that I left out at the side, and my little trick is to pull it behind my ear so it stretches out the curl. And as you see, I finished the other side, and I'm just going in with some wrap strips, and I'm just tying that down to get the hair as flat as possible. And guys, you see me laughing, I'm not going crazy. My friend was here and I was talking to her. She kept cracking me up. So I just used the wrap styling strips and I just tie that down, and I use a scarf to reinforce it. So now we're gonna go in with a pack of jumbo braiding here, and this is from Janet collection, and this was like $1.89 or something at the beauty store. Really cheap. And I was just gonna cut it in half and pull it in the 2 sections. This is what we're gonna use to make our space buns or ninja buns or whatever. And you're gonna pull on the ends of the hair to, you know, give it that natural look and that non-choppy look. And then you're gonna go in with a rubber band and lock the middle of the hair, like loop it through, and that's what we're gonna use to apply the braiding hair to our little buns on our head tops. Because guys, the little buns will give you like that little volume for the space twisty buns that we're making. And when I started doing it, as you can see, the hair was not cooperating, so what I had to do is go in with a hairpin. Make sure you pin where the rubber band is and where the hair is in the middle. As you can see, I'm pinning it down, and the hair started cooperating. And guys, you're gonna really twist the hell out of this hair, like twine it, twist it. And as you twine it along and go around, make sure to pin as you go along, because I pulled out my hair a million times because at first I didn't realize that I had to like pin it as I go, so it kept unraveling. And guys, you're gonna want to really twine it, really twine it as tight as possible, twist it, and that will give you like the nice cute little shape and the look. So just keep doing that and make sure you're pinning it as you go along. And if you're doing it and it's not like working, be sure to pull it out and just keep doing it. Like I pulled out my hair quite a few times, guys. Just if it's not looking how you want it, keep doing it until you get that shape. And I'm just repeating the same thing on the other side. And can I tell you how it took me a minute to get them both to look the same? But as I said, if you did it the first time and you don't like it, just pull the pins out and keep doing it. And you see your natural hair below it is forming like that base to give the bun that height. So that's why I didn't like plait my natural hair into the braiding hair, because the bun that my natural hair has is giving me the base for that height. And you see how cute it looks like when you really twine it, and it gives that those little curly thingy. Guys, just pin it as I said as you go along, and then it'll be good. And I'm just going in with some Got To Be Free spray to help with the frizz and the flyaways. And yeah, but that's basically it. And then I went to sleep, and this is the next day, guys, and I pulled my hair out, and let me tell you how cute this is. Like, it turned out so much better than I thought it would, and it's a really easy and cute ass style, guys. And yeah, I hope you like it. If you do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. Like, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure your notifications are on. Like, look at how cute that is. Like, guys, I did good, okay? And it was really easy, and you can do it too. Thanks so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.